It's Friday morning in November, I think today's November 7th, and Kyle does not want to go to school today. So this is what our morning looks like. Kyle, we have to go. Come get your coat. Come on. It's time to go. Come get your shoes and your coat. Come get your shoes and your coat. Come on. Don't you want to go play with your friends? You want to go play with friends? No? Don't you want to go to school and play? Kyle. We have to go, buddy. Can you say hi to everybody? Bye. No, I said say hi. Hi. Everybody's watching you. Be crazy. Can you put that pillow back on Mommy's bed? And Mr. Monkey. Put him on the bed. Put the monkey on the bed. Kyle. Kyle. We have to go bye-bye. Can you come put your coat on?